Guys, I'm so sorry that you are high. Wait, I'm sure that, yeah. Okay, just load it down. I'm gonna be spending 24 hours in this car, and as you can see, it's nearly night. Well, it's night, but it's like nearly dark. So it's 9 o'clock at night, even though it seems that it isn't. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't mind anything. I mean, I wish I could go outside and play with you. And there's like a trampoline over there. Comment in the box below. Let's go on there and do a video on there soon. Up to you guys. And make sure you give this a big thumbs up. And I will give you a shout out. And this shout out is Red Bull 167. So to get a chance to have a shout out in the next video, you need to smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give it a huge thumbs up. No bad thumbs up. Thumbs down. Don't. So that's how you become it. And if you subscribe and turn on notifications, then you won't miss any of my videos or ours. And if you subscribe, then you get to be a part of our BTK family. So get a chance to get that. So you will get a chance to get some shout outs. I'm trying my best to keep this going on. So I'm only 24 hours in the car. I don't know what. I don't know. Oh, this is hard. I don't know what you had. Ow. So this is. I don't know. I wish I had something to bring with me. I wish now. Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm moving this too much. What am I gonna do? Check out the previous video that I did the other day. I think it was yesterday. I post every Monday, Sunday, and Wednesday. I don't know if it's tomorrow I'm going to be doing it. So make sure you check out the videos that we're doing. Some of them, I don't know, I've just seen that my friend Bo, me and her did a slime video and it's got so many likes. So I'm suggesting that you want me to do more. Like this video if you want me to do more slime videos, because we are going to make more slime soon. So, and this one's going to be probably white fluffy slime. So yeah, okay, if this gets up to 20 likes, then I'll try it with clear, like 10 likes or something, or 5. I would try and make clear slime. I've never made clear slime. I mean, well, we have once, but then it failed because we didn't use the right, like the activator and the clear slime didn't work together. It was just so. It was kind of good though when like you got it and stuff. But I'm gonna be telling you ways to make slime with no borax, no glue. First of all, you need toothpaste. So get a bowl, put toothpaste in, and then you have to mix it in. And then get the salt, not sugar. And get like 2, something like that. Don't get spoonful, just get it. And put it on, and then mix it. and then leave it in the fridge for 2 hours. So that was the next one. So that was only one. That's the only one I know. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Comment in the box below. Would you like me to do it 24 hours anywhere? About, say, I don't know. Well, it's up to you guys. Say, it's not up to me, it's up to you, because subscribers, it means a lot to me. So, go and check out my brother's YouTube channel. It's Kyle Owen. So make sure you subscribe to him, because I said BTK, Mommy, and that stands for Bo, Tegan, and Kyle. So my BFF Bo, me, of course. I've got my channel, and my brother, which is an editor, Kyle's, and he's got his own YouTube channel, and it's kind of good, kind of funny. Make sure you go and smash that like button. I just noticed if I go to Kyle's house, like Nand, me and Kyle, if I slept there, this might seem scary because he has like an attic, and then and it's kind of dark. I think he has like a light though. We might spend 24 hours in there. I don't know. So make sure you go and check out his channel. I maybe might link it in the description box below. And yeah, afterwards I'm gonna have like a musical thing. So I'm gonna talk about what I'm gonna do in the future in my videos. So I'm gonna be doing, like, say if I had like a violin or piano or something, I'm gonna be trying to do it or something. And then you can name the song, or I can do it on a piano. Like, say if it was Havana, then it will go Havana, na. So, and then you can try and guess them. So there's gonna be 5. So you can put them in the comments, and then when you do that, give your comment a thumbs up. So it will be good. It will be good if you actually get them all right. And in the next video, I might be doing some more videos with Bo. Might be doing makeup. Oh, make sure once you get to her own YouTube channel, I'll be linking her videos. I'll be linking her channels in the description as well. So go and subscribe. So like her videos. Now. No, not now. But yeah, like her videos. More important. Like her videos. So she'll be doing some more slime. I'm gonna be in them sometimes. She's gonna be in my videos sometimes. So she's gonna be squishy slime one. I'm gonna be like a more adventure or crafty or whatever. I'm trying to my best to make them good. Yeah. So I'm linking hers in the box below. So, and then probably I might be doing makeup with Bo. Sleepovers with Bo. She might have a sleepover with mine. It'll probably like. What else does she like doing? Oh yeah, and if I sleep at hers or if she sleeps at mine, then we are gonna wake up at 3 AM and do something. So I don't know. So with Kyle, I think he's gonna be the editor. We might do some few challenges. He might win. He's older, but like it doesn't mean that he's smarter. Because like this girl, she's younger than me in my class, but she's like so smart. She's like, okay. So don't forget, just be yourself. So me, Kyle, we might be doing some challenges, like close your eyes and mix it, like blindfolded slime. No, we are gonna do 2 slimes, because what about, that's 4. We're gonna do 2 slimes, because what about if the other one doesn't work, then we're gonna have to put it in the bin. But on that video, we are definitely gonna do it, and that's pretty cool. So I don't know what to do. I have no clue what I'm doing. How am I gonna sleep? One problem. And I keep on telling you this. So I really don't know. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be linking my Snapchat and my TikToks, probably. So my TikTok is Tegan Family, and my Snapchat is Tegan Owen. So go and follow me, and I will accept. So ow. Does this work? Oh yes, no, yes. Okay. Time to put my seatbelt on. I got it ready. Come on, let's go let's go Argos. Look for proof. You can even hear it. Look, it on and then back on, off. I'm gonna be figuring out what to do. Why is it moving by itself? Is it okay? I don't want to say the car anymore. But I'll have to do it for you. This girl in my class, she's like this. No judge, no judge, no judge, no judge, no judge. Look, can you do like the, what, I don't think. Okay, so she sings like this. Oh, like that. She goes, Havana, na na. I put my heart is in Havana, na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. My heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, na na. Okay, now like this video if you think that was good. I think that was good. So, I think it was. I know, guys. I think I'm gonna stop the videos because I think you're gonna be like, this is too like, long. I don't want to watch this. Sorry. But